Have you ever thought of creating a YouTube channel but always worried about video audio editing, showing your face, or even writing the script? If your answer is yes, then today's video is definitely for you. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. Take a quick look at this, animated stories for kids. These kinds of videos are very popular on YouTube and there is still a lot of space to grow here. As creating such videos is a very tedious task, and if you go by the traditional way, it is very tiresome. Also, if you have heard about the OpenAI Sora model, then you should definitely try out today's tool, as this tool will give you a similar experience. The tool I have for you today can create outstanding animated stories for kids or even informative videos on YouTube within a matter of minutes. AUGIE AI, the only tool you need to get started with video creation. So first, let me show you what we are actually going to create in this video.
In a world where the sun kisses the sky, a young and adorable dinosaur embarks on a thrilling journey. Scaling majestic mountains, every step echoing in the valleys below, the brave reptile explores the wonders of the unknown. Each peak conquered reveals a new terrain, from lush green valleys to snow-capped summits. Facing fierce storms and gentle breezes alike, our tiny adventurer discovers the beauty in every twist of nature's whims. With each climb, a story unfolds, a tale of courage, curiosity, and the magic of exploration. So let's join our dino friend on this epic escapade and uncover the treasure within each mountain traveled.
So now, head on to the website provided in the description and sign up on AUGIE. Once your dashboard loads, you will see this page. Here, there are majorly two options, Storyteller and Classic Create. If you want to create any videos related to a business or let's say any tutorial videos, you can use Classic Create. But in this video, we will solely focus on the Storyteller option. Here again, you have two choices. You can either type your script, or the best way is to describe the topic on which you want the story to be and then hit the generate script option. So we will choose the generate script option over here. Now once our script is ready, we will have to choose a video style. You can choose according to your video topic, as there are lots of styles available. I will choose the fantasy art option as this goes with our story. Then we will have to choose a voice as well. There are lots of voices available here, but I will suggest using the voice of an old man or an old woman, as listening to stories from them sounds great. I will use the voice Bob, but you can choose whichever you like. Now we can hit the preview option to listen to the audio.
In a world beyond our own, a spirited dinosaur embarks on a whimsical journey, venturing through majestic mountains, each peak whispering tales of ancient wisdom. The weather, ever-changing, dances around our daring friend, a playful companion on this thrilling escapade. Join this charming explorer as they uncover the secrets held within the towering summits and unravel the mysteries hidden amidst the varied climates. Through laughter and wonder, the dino's adventure unfolds, a testament to bravery and curiosity in the face of the unknown. Let your imagination soar with this enchanting tale of discovery and joy.
It sounds pretty good to me, but if you feel like you want to change the voice, then go ahead and do so. Once you are satisfied with the voice, just hit the Generate My AUGIE option, and then wait for some time until your video gets ready. Once your video is ready, just click on it. Now here, there are lots of things to explore. But first, let's check out the video AUGIE has created for us.
In a world where the sun kisses the sky, a young and adorable dinosaur embarks on a thrilling journey. Scaling majestic mountains, every step echoing in the valleys below, the brave reptile explores the wonders of the unknown. Each peak conquered reveals a new terrain, from lush green valleys to snow-capped summits. Facing fierce storms and gentle breezes alike, our tiny adventurer discovers the beauty in every twist of nature's whims. With each climb, a story unfolds, a tale of courage, curiosity, and the magic of exploration.
Now the video already looks good enough, but if you're not satisfied with the video, then you can customize everything in the video within a matter of time, and we will see how to do that next. So we will start with the select media option. Here you can simply describe what type of image or video you are expecting and it will show you lots of results. But this might not always help you if you are creating kid story videos. So for that, we will move to the generate option. Now just click on the frame you want to change. Here you will see the prompt used to make this frame. Now if you noticed that we wanted a cute and a small dinosaur, but this doesn't seem to be small. So what I need to do is, wherever it is written dinosaur, I will add the word baby, which means I will make it a baby dinosaur. Then I'll hit the generate option. You can now see that it looks far better. Now I will do the same for each frame quickly. Now moving on to the transcript option, if you want to change any text or say any word to its simpler version, then just click on this edit icon and change that particular word. Then you can hit the tick mark option to save it. Now the second most interesting and important thing is that you can add captions as well. Just head on to the text option and enable the entire video closed caption option. You can change the font style here. I personally like the vintage option. Then you can change the effect from here. I personally suggest the word by word option here.
Guy, a young and adorable dinosaur, embarks on a
Then the most interesting part in the text section is that you can even add any extra text on your screen by clicking on the add text option. Then enter your text here, choose the time that you want the text to be displayed for. Then I can modify the text such as font color, background, etc. Then in the alignment option, you can select where you want the text to be. I will select the top right corner. Now let's check out the video.
In a world where the sun kisses the sky, a young and adorable dinosaur embarks on a thrilling journey. Scaling majestic mountains, every step echoing in the valleys below, the brave reptile explores the wonders of the unknown.
Now our video already looks good, but the small thing that is missing is the background music. For that, we just need to head on to the music option here. You can find lots of music for absolutely free, or you can even go for the premium ones. I will choose this one as this matches the video. Then you can decrease or increase the volume from here.
From lush green valleys to snow-capped summits, facing.
Then there are some additional features you can check out, like the filters option. You can select multiple filters at once. You can play with these filters to check which goes good with you. You can even change the transitions between the two frames from this option here. By default, crossfade is selected, but you can choose the one you like the most. Now you can simply hit the download video option to download your video. Now let's check out our final result.
In a world where the sun kisses the sky, a young and adorable dinosaur embarks on a thrilling journey. Scaling majestic mountains, every step echoing in the valleys below, the brave reptile explores the wonders of the unknown. Each peak conquered reveals a new terrain, from lush green valleys to snow-capped summits. Facing fierce storms and gentle breezes alike, our tiny adventurer discovers the beauty.
That looks great, isn't it? I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.